It's great to see you all again on the Jungle Tools YouTube channel. And today, I'm going to share with you a software that will help you manage and maintain multiple Facebook accounts. With these accounts, you can post in groups, do seeding to boost engagement, or use them for your marketing purposes. And right now, I have the MKT software open. This is a software that allows you to manage an unlimited number of Facebook accounts. As you can see on the screen, I currently have 2,636 different Facebook accounts, and this helps me a lot in my marketing work. So in today's video, you'll get to see what features this software has, and let's find out together how it can be useful for you. Okay, this is the main interface, and as you can see in the account management section, there's a category management feature, and you can create multiple projects to add your own categories here. Next is the add account section, where we can add accounts in bulk instead of adding them one by one. So it's really convenient for you. Now let's move on to the proxy management section. As you know, when we use and manage multiple Facebook accounts, we also need to use proxies, as you can see on the screen, just like I'm using here. There, it will help you avoid being scanned by Facebook and make your Facebook accounts more stable. In general, your accounts are like your assets, so you should be conscious about protecting them. For example, my clients usually use from 1,000 to 5,000 Facebook accounts, typically for their marketing campaigns. So you should also adopt this mindset in order to achieve real effectiveness. Next is the section related to dynamic proxy management. In this section, you can completely create dynamic proxy channels and add them here. After that, you can use them as usual. Okay, now let's move on to the email management section. As you know, on the market today, there are actually very few software programs that have integrated features to handle Hotmail issues within the software itself, like MKT does. Here you have all of that available. If you were using other options out there, you would have to buy at least 2 different software programs. But with MKT, you already have features like handling Hotmail, changing passwords, adding recovery emails so you can secure your account, as well as unlocking Hotmail if you want to. A very useful feature is the ability to manage unlimited posting content, because now if you want to post in groups, you want to go through a group, right? We can't possibly add new content every single day when we do that task, because doing that really takes too much time and you won't have any time left to actually work. So with MKT, we understand that, and we've added a content management feature that allows you to add even thousands of pieces of content here if you want. And especially, please note that for each piece of content, we can randomly spin the content and add random characters. So you don't have to worry about Facebook flagging it as spam or imposing any restrictions. So now we'll move on to a section where you must use the MKT software whenever you use software related to Facebook. That is the feature for nurturing Facebook accounts. If you just add your Facebook account and immediately start posting, then for sure your account will very likely get checkpointed. Therefore, by nurturing these accounts as if you were using your daily Facebook account and browsing manually, you'll be able to own multiple Facebook accounts. With a large number of accounts, you can fully utilize them to boost interactions for a fan page, increase members for a group, and enhance seeding and the effectiveness of your campaign's reach for your marketing strategy. So here we have these scenarios. You can interact in bulk, save newsfeed posts, or save friends' videos. You can also interact with individual friends if you want to approach them in a more personal way. You can interact by UID if you want to target a specific group of potential customers. You can also interact by group if you want to post in groups for better visibility. You can post and interact according to each targeted group, or you can interact by page so that people can engage with your page. Everything is possible. Now, let's move on to the function related to seeding and boosting engagement. It's quite simple. Like I mentioned before, people own multiple Facebook accounts mainly to direct more people to their posts across their marketing systems. For example, if you're running a fan page, a group, or a personal page, but there's no engagement, then honestly, your marketing won't be effective. If we just let things happen naturally, it's actually very difficult, and there's an element of luck involved as well. So with the software, we can completely nurture accounts that are precisely targeted, and you can have them interact with your own personal pages, your customers' pages, or with many of the services you're offering, all with the goal of increasing likes, comments, engagement, and your visibility. Now, regarding the sharing feature, Facebook has a function that allows you to share posts into groups, right? You can also do this with MKT. If you live stream to sell products on Facebook, you can share your live stream as well. It all shows up right here. And here, the post publishing feature, this is one of the most important functions. For example, if you need to post hundreds of thousands of articles into groups to cover a marketing campaign, then this approach is extremely suitable. Or if you're launching a new game, right? If you're launching a new business product, you can absolutely use these features to spread it on Facebook and reach your potential customers. So we can post in groups like this, or you can post on your personal page to build your channel. You can upload short videos on your personal page. You can post sales listings on the marketplace. Basically, all of these options are available to you. Next, let's move on to the comment function. Similar to posting, you can also spread comments across many different groups on Facebook. The feature works in much the same way. Instead of posting, you can go around leaving comments, everyone. And there's a really great feature. If you're spreading comments and you're worried that they might not reach the exact target audience you want, you can use the comment by keyword function. This is a feature where you just need to enter the keyword you want, and it will search for exactly where that keyword appears in posts within that Facebook group. Then it will leave a comment introducing information about your purpose on those posts in those groups, which will help you almost perfectly target the people you want, everyone. There you go. A feature that replies to comments. For example, let's say you post something, right? And then people start commenting on your post, but you have many accounts and can't handle all of them, right? So you can completely use this feature and set up a pre-written response. For example, something like, please contact me through this contact information. And then the software will automatically reply to the comment made on your post. A preset sentence like that will help you better direct customers to a hotline, a website, a landing page, or a paid channel. That's it. Next, we have a messaging feature. Many of you will like the feature that allows us to message potential customers directly. However, there's a significant issue. When you send a message, it often ends up in the message requests or spam folder for strangers, making it very difficult for real Facebook users to see and read your message. So the software is the same. Jungle 2 understands this issue and has designed a tool to support you. After you send a message to your customer, it will also automatically leave a comment on a post on their personal page. For example, you can leave a comment like, please reply to my message, and this will definitely help increase the likelihood that people will read your message. And of course, it will make your marketing campaign much more effective. All right, okay. Next, we have the section about adding friends. You can absolutely create multiple Facebook accounts like I do, add friends from your target customer group, and then use Facebook's algorithm to interact with the right audience. So your posts are shown to them and you can sell your products, okay? All right. In addition, there will be specialized features for your account. For example, you can bulk update information to match a certain personal profile. You can change information as usual, such as changing your name, avatar, cover photo, gender, or introduction. Basically, you can do it all. You can also change your account settings, such as your timeline, friends list, or whether you allow posts to be published, who can make friends with you there. So there are a lot of options like that depending on what you want to do. Finally, you can also change security settings such as your password, as well as anything related to language. You can do it all. That's it. And especially very good, you can see the feature is to limit the problem of spam. So it runs this feature to help your account protest the spam problems that happen, and it will make your account more trustworthy. That's it. Now, let's move on to the part related to posting stories, everyone. The software can handle almost everything related to Facebook. You have the feature, the function to post stories to your personal page. That's it. And there's also a feature that if your account unfortunately gets checkpointed during use, you can use the software to automatically unlock it right away. Because if we own several thousand accounts like this and have to unlock them manually, it would be extremely exhausting. So the software also supports you with that. There you go. It has the feature to unlock accounts and also to unlock the 282 type. See, is that okay with you all? So those are all the features of the Marketing Care software on the Jungle 2 YouTube channel. See you again in the next videos on the YouTube channel. And don't forget, if you want to experience the software firsthand and clearly, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp as shown on your screen. Goodbye and see you again.